These vegan delicious cookies are soft and chewy and are the perfect snack, dessert, or breakfast. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. And then we'll make a flax egg, which is essentially a tablespoon of ground flax along with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it together and set it aside for about 5 minutes. Then we'll add a 1.5 cups of oat flour. No flour? No problem. Take whatever oats you have, put it into a blender for about 30 seconds, and then you will have oat flour. You know, oats are so good for reducing your risk of heart disease. They have plenty of vitamins and minerals and soluble fiber. You're going to put that oat flour into a bowl. And then you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and this will help our cookies rise and make them tender. Then add a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is loaded in antioxidants. I prefer Ceylon. It's actually better for you if you eat a lot of cinnamon like I do. Then you'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's face it, all cookies need vanilla. By now, your flax egg should be ready, and you could add that to your bowl. And then you'll add 2 tablespoons of almond butter, which is great for your brain and your blood pressure and reduces cholesterol. And then you'll add a cup of frozen blueberries. You know, this superfood is one of the top antioxidants foods that are common in your local supermarket, and it is filled with nutrients and low in calories. You're going to put that into a blender until it becomes a jam-like consistency, and then you'll add that to your bowl and taste it. Now, if you want it to be a little sweeter, you could add 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to your cookie recipe, but that is completely up to you. Then you will form your cookies, make them into a ball, flatten them, and then put them into your oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until the edges turn a pretty golden brown. And then you're going to take them out and let them cool. Now tell me, would you make these vegan Blue-licious cookies? Let me know in the comments below.